Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel. It's SalonDivaV in the place to be, yo, my garden. So let's jump right in. All right, y'all. So we have, this is a melon, a honeydew melon, and I'm going to take her and put this tomato cage on her, but this right here is a eggplant that has a volunteer eggplant, so I'm going to pull that out of there and replant it. So I'm going to take this and put this over here for right now. Put that soil back. In that area. And take this, pull this plant up and kind of pull it through the middle. Just like that. And I'm gonna cut those bottom plants off just so the bottom of the base of the plant can have airflow through it. As soon as I find where I put my scissors. All right, here we go. Take these off. All right, there we go. And that is our honeydew melon. And I'm gonna take this one too because it's looking a little suspect. I don't want to take too many leaves off because it needs to get its photosynthesis going. But there you have it. That's our honeydew melon. And let's get this eggplant potted up. All right. This is our eggplant. And let's find a pot to put him in. So we're gonna pull this. What's the name of this? These greens right here that has expired. We're gonna pull him out and put the eggplant in there. Let's moisten that soil because it is dry. All right, so we're gonna water that in. And that is our eggplant. Let's water this roselle while we are right here. Okay, so and while I'm right here, I'm gonna snip. I didn't see these, that one, and this one. We're gonna water our basil in. Our peppermint. This is a mulberry. As a matter of fact, this big tree right here, it grows back every year, but it never produces anything. It's supposed to be a mulberry, but it never produces anything. I don't even have to water it. It keeps growing back. Last year, it had some kind of disease on it. That's why I didn't fool with it, but this year it's looking good. Gonna give it a little water. I pretty much didn't bother it because I was like, I wanted to pull it down, but it keeps coming back, so we'll see. Okay, down below here, let's water in the squash right here. There's another roselle, Jamaican sorrel, whatever you want to call it. This is my other roselle. I don't know why I can't keep y'all straight. All right, y'all, so this is my papaya. Look how thick that stem is getting. Even though he's short, his stem is getting thick. That's my papaya, y'all. Grown from seed from another papaya. And these are some blueberries that I bought from Lowe's. They're a different kind from the one I have. I purchased these so they can fertilize each other. All right. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button. Leave me a comment below. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me, showing up to this video. And if you like this video, please check out my social media links below. Share me with your family and your friends. And until I see you guys in the next video, it's SalonDivaV in the place to be, y'all. You know what it is. Peace.